Where are you going? An introduction to where questions in English. Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our series on mastering conversational English. In today's video, we're going to dive into the fascinating world of where questions. Now, where questions are critical when you need to ask about a location or direction. So, let's get started. First things first, let's define where. The word where is a question word, also known as an interrogative word, used to ask about a place or position. It's one of the key question words in English, alongside who, what, when, why, and how. When we want to find out about a location or position, we use where at the beginning of a question. For example, you might ask, "Where is the library?" Or, "Where did you go on vacation?" In both these instances, where is used to inquire about a place. Now, here's something important. You might sometimes hear where used with prepositions at the end of questions. For example, "Where are you from?" Or, "Where are you headed to?" This is completely correct and quite common in everyday English. But do remember, the preposition always relates to the verb in the question, not where. Lastly, where isn't just for direct questions. It's also used in indirect questions, which can be more polite. For example, instead of asking, "Where is the bathroom?" you might say, "Could you tell me where the bathroom is?" Notice that the word order changes in the indirect question. And there we have it. That's your introduction to where questions in English. Remember, whether you're asking for directions, finding out about someone's hometown, or simply asking where something is, where is your go-to question word. We hope you found this video helpful, and we look forward to helping you further enhance your English skills in our upcoming videos. Keep practicing and see you soon.